For the past 6 days, we've been testing out the new SoundPEATS Breezy Bluetooth 5.4 open ear TWS earphones. We do initially get our well-presented package, which from an advertising point of view is very nice and subtle on the eye, but because it's rather large, all it really holds is obviously the Breezy charge case, a small Type-C charge cable, a straight-to-the-point user guide, and some funky stickers. Yeah, they're kind of cute. But yeah, that's basically it. Not much accessories. The charge case, it's nice and solid. It has a minimalistic design with that SoundPEATS logo embodied on the top of the lid. Now that lid is magnetically sealed. The case has that LED charge indication light to the front, which to be honest it's not very informative, as it only really lights up green when it's fully charged, and red to indicate that it needs charging. To the rear we have a Type-C charge port, where we can go ahead and plug in that Type-C charge cable that is supplied. Recharging that case, by the way, it only takes 1 hour 47 minutes to recharge it from flat. Yeah, we actually review our products on this channel, not like the others. But yeah, that charge case does slide nicely into our pockets. It's not too bulgy, but while opening up the case, wow. I mean, hopefully you'll be able to hear this. You can just about make out the power on pairing voice notifications through the SoundPEATS earphones themselves. Yeah, very echoey. Taking a look at the inner side of the lid, we get the SoundPEATS logo printed upon it. The earphones are very secure inside. They are magnetically pulled in on top of those charge pins. But nope, there don't seem to be any type of dedicated charging percentage level indications or anything like that. You know, the type you would get on other earphones. Nevertheless, pairing the Breezy headphones is super fast, with a very secure connection, so you should reach the second floor of your home without any type of disconnection issues whatsoever. Again, that's because they've got the latest Bluetooth 5.4 chips built in. But looking at the design of the earphones, they are certainly different than all of the open-ear designed headsets that we have currently tested up on our channel. These SoundPEATS earphones come with a 2D sparkle design on the driver unit shells. Those drivers do rotate 90 degrees, so to allow good adjustment for the best possible comfort. And if you take a look at these lovely skin-friendly ear hooks just here, they are very compact, they fit very snugly over our ears, and with plenty of flexibility, you shouldn't have any issue in case you've got ears like Prince Charles. No. So yes, the ear hooks are irritable free, allowing them to remain secure and stable when active. A quick note guys, and this is especially for those glasses wearers. With these Breezes, if you take your glasses off first, place the earphones over your ears and then go ahead and place your glasses back on, so the arms of your glasses fit on top of the ear hooks. The SoundPEATS Breezy earphones should stay locked in place and halt them from falling off. Now, with the Breezy earphones, you can go ahead and download the SoundPEATS app, so to access equalizer options, as well as custom touch controls. From a retail point of view, those standard touch controls that come on the earphones themselves, they're not my preferable option to be honest. So you get 1 tap for the volume up and down on either earphone, 2 taps for the play pause call functioning option. We get a 1 second hold on the left earphone for the previous track selection, and a 1 second hold on the right earphone for the next track selection. If we tap the right earphone 3 times, you will be able to access the voice assist option. Tell me a fact of the day.
Did you know that a tree can lift up to 100 gallons of water out of the ground and into the atmosphere every single day?
And with we tap the left earphone, you can switch between music, game and movie modes, which when you access that gaming mode, you get 0.08 seconds of ultra low latency. But if these functions are not suitable, again go over to that SoundPEATS app and then go ahead and adjust your touch control setup. Audio. Now because the Breezes are open ear headphones, well the alignment of the drivers is very important. When they are positioned correctly, well I must admit, for open ear earphones, the music quality is surprisingly quite decent. We get punchy mid-bass. Yeah, it's not thudding bass or anything like that. Not very impactful, but it is indeed very, very smooth. And that's pretty much the same when it comes to the treble too. That treble is nice and bright, with most genres of music, really clear audio, with no sibilant issues, with vocal focused ballads. The midtones sound nice and warm, not too upfront, we don't get any type of overpowering, with all around good balance with audio, with the volume sitting preferably at 90%, as anything louder may cause a bit of distortion with certain hip hop tracks. Looking at the SoundPEATS app once again, if we go into the equalizer mode, we can choose that dynamic equalizer enhancement option, which works very nicely switching music tracks and going through different types of genres of music, but it will however use more power with that option, providing you with less battery life. In the basic music mode though, while blasting out tunes for many hours, we found the SoundPEATS Breezy earphones to be very comfortable. Yes, we did adjust them now and again, quite a few times in fact, while we was at work, and I'd like to notify you guys that we did get 4 hours 17 minutes use out of a full charge. Nope, not the 10 hours that was suggested within the specifications. You'll only get that if you're using about 40% volume consistently. Yes, we did test this, we're using 100% volume consistently, and it does take 1 hour 32 minutes to fully charge them, and with that charge case supplied, well, it will gain us 3 full recharges on the go with that 500 mAh charging module. Now, because the Breezy earphones have dual mics, with AI call noise cancellation, I must say, voice pickup is, you know what, quite awakening. Here's an example.
Test. Alright, so let me just do a quick walk around the cabin just now, just so we can get some environmental noises in the background. So I've got the laptop on in the background with the fans running on full speed. As you might be able to notice, the background noise is somewhat blanked out. Not completely, but it's doing a good job. My voice pickup, by the way, very crisp and clear. Got to note that the latency issue, there's not much involved in any type of noticeable latency issues. And that's the same when making any type of voice calls too. So for walking around everyday environments, such as walking around your home, making voice calls, this is exactly the type of microphone quality that you should expect when using these SoundPEATS earphones.
So who are the SoundPEATS Breezy open-ear earphones actually made for? Well, it's for people, number one, that don't want too much pressure upon their ears. Two, for people that want to live and work in safe environments, that still want to interact with others, and still want to enjoy music, audiobooks and podcasts, without, may I add, getting pulled up into the offices while at work and complained about for not following health and safety criteria. But yeah, with these SoundPEATS Breezes for open-ear earphones, with the price tag being £32, that's 40 in US dollars. But I personally think that they do offer nicely balanced audio, suitable for anyone, not just one criteria of person. But again, I've got to tell you guys that open-ear earphones, they don't offer the best acoustics when it comes to head-thumping bass when wanting full impacted music when listening to R&B music, hip-hop or dance tracks, no. But what they do offer is an alternative to other open-ear headsets on the market that haven't quite managed to 100% balance the audio quality and balance the best possible open-ear functionality. I personally think that these Breezes are good for commuting, and you don't have to worry about any type of rainfall, as these SoundPEATS earphones are also IPX4 waterproof. But nope, I wouldn't be going ahead and submerging them in any type of deep water. No, don't be doing that. And by the way, make sure you dry them before you charge them, otherwise you're going to get shocked. But yeah, I actually do like the SoundPEATS Breezes. They are very minimalistic, but they have a functional design. Both case and earphones look the part, the earphones feel nice and comfortable, and that charge case just seemed to be quite scratch free. Well, that is over the past week we've used them. I don't know about the next couple of months, especially if you've got keys in your pocket. So yes, for design, we're going to give the SoundPEATS Breezes a 9 out of 10. For functionality, at first the function controls wasn't set up correctly. We did use the app, and after that we did find them very good to use with a good touch response too. So we're going to give them an 8 out of 10 for functionality. Audio, I still think that the drivers, well, they could be aimed more towards your ear canals, just so you get better volume. The volume is not super high, but it is indeed very responsive when it comes to different types of genres of music. So yes, we're going to give the audio an 8 out of 10. The mic quality, very good. There is a slight echo at times, so we're going to give the mics, I'm going to give them a 8 out of 10. Value for money, I do think that they sit right within that price range. It's a shame that the case though didn't come with a charge case percentage indication within the charge case itself. But nevertheless, it's still all around a nice headset. So for the money, we're going to give it a 9 out of 10 with our overall rating for the SoundPEATS Breezes coming in with an 8 out of 10. Now if you want to check the SoundPEATS Breezes out for yourself, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below. If you've liked what you've seen within this video, why not go get yours? But while you're in that video description guys, it means so much to me personally if you like and share this video wherever possible. Not only that, subscribe to our channel just now. Hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our very next uploads. Now speaking of uploads, there's one of our previous review videos shown on the screen just now. If you want to click it should you wish. Or if you want to, and that doesn't interest you, what about this one here? No? Oh, alright then. Well, stick around for our very next upload. Catch you guys later. In a bit, you lazy loos. Peace!